Hi students, so myself Dr. B. Rangnath, okay, I am a chemistry lecturer. So last class we discussed about conversion of alkynes to alkenes in the presence of bridge reduction or Linder's catalyst. So now today I am going to discuss about ozonolysis of alkenes. This is also one of the important topic in alkenes. What is ozonolysis? In the branch of ozonolysis, which type of products are formed? So, in ozonolysis of alkenes, depending upon the reagents, in the branch of Zn with water, one type of product is formed. In the branch of Zn with hydroxide, in the branch of lithium aluminum nitrate, three types of reactions are takes place. Okay, one is formation of carbonyl compound and formation of acid, formation of alcohol. Three types of products are formed depending upon the reagent. First of all, what is ozonolysis? For example, simple ozonolysis. I am taking general example RCH double bond CH R dash. Okay, so this is simple alkene. This simple alkene undergoes reaction with ozone in the presence of Zn with water. Zn with water. Zn with water. So formation of 2 moles of RC double bond OH. 2 moles of aldehyde. Okay. Simple alkenes to carbonyl compounds. So how to form in the presence of ozone formation of aldehyde? So mechanism, listen carefully. In this mechanism, the resonance structure of ozone is, this is ozone. Okay, this will react with simple CH double bond CH R dash. Automatically this step in the presence of, so formation of R CH, here oxygen, 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 here single bond CH R dash. Okay, so this is ozonite as an intermediate. Ozonite as an intermediate. In this ozonite, breaking of this bond to here, automatically this bond also disturbed or not? So formation of RCH here cation. O minus because of shifting of electrons. So here this can be shifted here means double bond O. I wrote conveniently. So here H is there, R dash. Okay. And again this will attack here, and next here means here also attack or not. So formation of R CH O oxygen, here C, here O. Okay. So here H and R dash. In the presence of Zn with water, so break this one. So RCHO plus RCHO, 2 moles of aldehyde plus Zn, zinc oxide. This is the simple mechanism for conversion of alkene to aldehydes by using of Zn H2O in O3. Ozonolysis reaction. Ozone reacts with a simple alkene, formation of ozonide, and a ozonide and breaks formation of this one, and then it is stable product. This is stable ozonide. This is stable ozonide. Again, this will break to this. So formation of 2 moles of aldehyde. So alkenes reaction with ozone in the presence of Zn with water, formation of carbonyl compound. For example, alkenes reaction with ozone in the presence of H2O2, formation of acids. Formation of acids. Or alkenes reaction with ozone in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, formation of alcohol. So how many types of product formation is possible for simple ozonolysis reaction? So in ozonolysis of alkenes, formation of products are carbonyl compound, acids and alcohol. Three types of reactions are takes place. Okay. So I am given some examples. And explain some examples by, for example, so simple is alkene, double bond alkene, dash in the presence of reaction with ozone, all are ozone, Zn with H2O, zinc with H2O2, and next third one is lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, anyone. So this gives RCHO, aldehyde. This gives acid. This gives acid. This gives 2 moles of RCH2OH. This is carbonyl compound. This is acids. This is alcohols. So keep in mind, in the presence of ZnH2O, formation of compounds are carbonyl compound. In the presence of zinc with H2O2, formation of acids. In the presence of reducing reagents, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, formation of alcohols. Okay. So students, listen carefully. I will give simple trick in examination. For example, in the given examination, this reactant is given. This reactant is given. It will react with ozone, with zinc, with water. Which type of products are formed? Listen carefully, students. How to write given product by using of alkene as the reactant, by using of ozonolysis reaction. Keep in mind, students. Listen carefully. Break this bond by adding of oxygen on both sides. Here also break the double bond. Oxygen. This is a simple trick. Write down here carbon, HCHO or not. And one more HCHO or not. HCHO. And next here plus CHO is attached to CHO. So this is the simple trick. Break the double bond by add the oxygen on both sides. Oxygen. So write the product. For example, CH3, CH, double bond CH. Next CH2. Simple of the propene. So break the double bond. Add the oxygen on both sides. By using of same reagents are same. So formation of one is acetaldehyde, and another one is HC double bond OH, formaldehyde. Simple. Okay. For example, in the given examination, this one is given. Next here, here. This is the reactant. Reagents are same. What is the product formation? So listen, students. I will give the simple trick. What is the simple trick? So break the double bond, add the oxygen on both sides. This double bond also break, add the oxygen on both sides. To write down one by one product. Here carbon, H, C double bond OH, formaldehyde. Here one methyl group. Here oxygen is adding, and next single bond. Here carbon and H double bond. This is the product, and remaining product also HCHO plus HC double bond OH. So this is the simple way by predicting of product formation in ozonolysis by add the oxygen on both sides of double bond. Okay, so one more example. For example, this one, by using of ozone ZnH2O as the product. What are the product formation? So break the double bond, add the oxygen on both sides. One is, if you break this one, is adding of oxygen, cyclopentone, and remaining is formaldehyde. Simple. For example, you can use the lithium aluminum hydride. This example is this one is given by adding of ozone with ZnH2O, and another one is ozone with ZnH2O2. So H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, simple alkene can be converted into acids. To listen carefully in the presence of this one, by adding of oxygen on both sides, so product formation is here double bond O, this one, here carbon, oxygen, and this one is main product. Both functional groups are converted into carbonyl compound. Here there is no hydrogen. If any one of the hydrogen is present, definitely converted into acid. It is not possible for conversion of acid here by using of H2O2. So only carbonyl compound. This one is same carbonyl compound. By using of this one, here one hydrogen is there. So therefore this conversion of this alkene to acid is possible by using of H2O2. So this can be written as OH. So this functional group can be only converted into acid. This one is not possible for acid because of there is no acidic hydrogens. Okay. So in the presence of H2O2 is a reagent. In the presence of H2O2 as a reagent, simple alkanes can be converted into acids. But here it is not possible for conversion of acid. Only carbonyl compound. There is no hydrogen. Okay. So this is the simple example. One more example is so practice the students. Test yourself. Okay. So by using of ozonolysis, every reactant undergoes two types. One is in the presence of ZnH2O and ZnH2O2. So one is reduced carbonyl compound and another is conversion of acids. Okay. So practice this one. More examples of by using of ozonolysis reaction. So only ZnH2O and ZnH2O, here also ZnH2O. So practice the students. So it is simply so here simple alkene with attached to aldehyde also. So don't confuse. So by using of simple trick, you can break the double bond by adding of oxygen on both sides. So predict the product. So here is break adding of oxygen. Here also break, adding of oxygen. Okay, here also break. So simple trick. Okay, so predict the product formation. Okay, so thanks for watching.